Are you struggling to get traffic and leads to your small business? Well, my name is Scott Schlemmer, and I'm the founder and CEO of Marketing with Scott. And I've been working online for 10 years, full-time, in a multitude of different capacities. I've helped small businesses drive traffic and leads and sales to their businesses. We've spent thousands of hours to master the art of selling products and services online. And what we want to do here at Marketing with Scott is we want to help small businesses, we want to help entrepreneurs, we want to help people that have causes or different things that they need to drive traffic and leads to, that they want to get their message out to their ideal customer. Whether your business is brick and mortar, whether it's online, whether it's e-com, whether it's a network marketing business, whatever the industry is, you need traffic and leads. And that's where Marketing with Scott comes in to solve your problem. We put together a team of some of the best marketers from all around the United States here at Marketing with Scott. And we have the right team in place to help you succeed in getting your results. What differentiates us from our competition is that we don't get paid until you get results. We're not just going to scratch the surface. We're going to dive deep into your business with your team. So get with us today for your free 30-minute consultation so we can get you your customized strategy for you and your business. I want to thank you for spending time with us today, and we look forward to seeing you on the inside.